Hello, today I'd like to explain something regarding the SIKA EC7 Process Multimeter. A process multimeter is a combination of an DMM, that means a digital multimeter, plus a multifunction process calibrator. And the setup of the device is a large display, different operating buttons, and a selector switch to select different functionalities. And of course we have connection terminals. And today I like to explain something regarding ohm resistance measurement. And yeah, to switch on the device, you rotate the selector switch to the desired position, and then you get the reading. In this case, we see on the main display 109.2 ohms. In addition, we see measurement. Because we make a measurement, we see the information S. This is for the speed of the measurement, and we see an auto ranging information. That means the range of the device is automatically selected from the device. So the speed of the measurement can be changed with this operating button from S as slow. Slow means a speed of 200 milliseconds. That means we make 5 measurements per second. And if I switch over to fast, then we have 50 milliseconds. That means we have 20 measurements per second. So this is the functionality with the rate button. You can change over the speed of the measurement. If you like to change over the range, then you can operate or use this operating button. And so by change over, you change the engineering unit, and then of course you see 3 digits after the decimal point. Here you see 2 digits after the decimal point. Here is 1 digit after decimal point in kilo ohms. Then you change over to mega ohms, 3 digits after decimal point, 2 digits after decimal point in mega ohms, 1 digit in ohms, and then you are back in the standard measurement. So by operating this operating button, the range button, you can select the different units and the position of the decimal point. To come back in the automatic function, you push and hold the operating button, and then you would see again the auto information is on the screen. The next functionality is a relative measurement. You see on the display 109.2 ohms, and now I operate this button, and that means in the auxiliary display you have the basis value, the current measurement, and if I change then the value, you see an increase of the value. So that means a delta information from this basis value is shown in the large display. This is in ohms. If you push again the operating button, then you see a percentage value. So that means a deviation, a delta from the basis value to the shown percentage in this case. To come back to the standard measurement, you select again the relative button, and then you see the standard information. And last but not least, we have a hold button. So in the display you see 100.4 ohms, 100.3 ohms in this case, and I push and hold, and then you see the information in the auxiliary display of the current value, and in the large display you see the information about the last measurement. So it's stored It's hold in the large display, and you can change the value of the resistance, and then of course in the auxiliary display you will see the information about the current value. To come back, to release the hold function, you push again the hold button. Yup, that's it.